I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. Changing your payment method on Spotify is pretty straightforward. Here is how to do it in just a few steps. Step 1. Log into your account. Go to the Spotify website and log in with your credentials. Make sure you are using the account that has the subscription you want to change. Step 2. Go to Account Settings. Once logged in, click on your profile picture in the top right corner and select Account from the drop-down menu. This will take you to your account overview. Step 3. Navigate to your plan. Scroll down to the Your Plan section. Here, you will see details about your current subscription, including your payment method. Click on Change Payment Method. Step 4. Select a new payment method. Choose your preferred payment method from the options provided. You can enter a new credit card or select PayPal if that is your choice. Ensure all details are accurate to avoid issues. Step 5. Confirm changes. After entering your new payment details, click on the Save or Update button to confirm the changes. You should receive a confirmation email shortly after. If you accidentally select the wrong payment method, you can always go back and change it again using the same steps. Happy listening!